Good day. Today I'll be informing, cooking and showing you all about Tom Yum. Now before we start, we have to wear the right attire. No whites unless you want to stain. As for the ingredients, let me show you what you need for the Banian Tom Yum. Onions, lemongrass, tofu cakes, carrots, green chili, and most importantly, Tom Yum cubes. Looking back at these ingredients, seems like we're missing something. Oh yeah, how could I forget? The chicken! Everybody have their own way of cooking Tom Yum. I just so happen to be following the way my mom taught me. First thing first, you gotta clean the carrots. You see, carrots are weight loss friendly food and have been linked to lower cholesterol level. They're also documented to improve eyesight. Besides, they taste great in Tom Yum. For the onions, naturally, cut off the top and start peeling off its outer layers. I find that cutting it in half first will make it much more easier. Onions are nutrient dense, meaning they are high in vitamins but low in calories. The taste of onions will also complement with the Tom Yum. Next is adding fish cakes, which is just a personal preference. I tend to cut it into thin slices, like so. Now, down you go. I mixed it all up so that I could wash them together. It's best to wash the ingredients so that you remove bacteria such as E. coli. How about we have a look at our ingredients, shall we? Now that we have all the ingredients set up, let's get to cooking. And we're gonna be using that pot. Chicken was used because it helps with brain function, strengthening bones, and building muscles. After that, we pour in the ingredients we cut up. After filling the pot with water, we place it on the stove. Then we put in the Tom Yum cubes or paste depending on which you're using. Some salt, some seasoning, then stir. Crush the lemongrass, which will help with digestion. Cut the green chilies to spice it up. Then we put them in the pot. Now we let it cook. And finally, taste it. Yum! And there you have it, people. Information and how to cook the Banian Tom Yum.